about our solar system. What is solar system? The sun, 8 planets with their satellites and other heavenly bodies like asteroids, meteors and comets together form solar system. Once again, the sun, 8 planets with their satellites, asteroids, comets and meteors together form our solar system. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. It is about 27,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The sun is located at the center of the solar system. Here I drawn the solar system. The sun, 8 planets I drawn here. He is located at the center of the solar system. Let us discuss some key points about our sun. It is the largest member of our solar system. The sun is the largest member of our solar system. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. He is made up of hydrogen and helium gases. It emits a huge amount of heat and light. It is necessary for all forms of life on the earth. Light and heat is necessary for life. Next, the surface temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Surface temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. The inner temperature is very high. Next, it is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The distance between the earth and the sun is about 150 million kilometers. The time taken by the sun rays to reach the earth is about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So, this is about our sun. These are the key points about our sun. One is the largest member of the solar system, made up of hydrogen and helium. It emits a huge amount of heat and light which is necessary for the survival of the earth, because light and heat both are necessary. Next, the surface temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. It is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So, these are some key aspects about our sun. So, now we discussed about our sun. We will discuss about planets. Our solar system has 8 planets. So, these planets have some common characteristics. All these planets are spherical in shape. They are spherical in shape. They do not emit their own light. They shine, but they reflect the sunlight. They do not emit their own light. They reflect the sunlight. All the planets revolve around the sun. They all revolve around the sun in a fixed path. That one we call it as orbit. All these planets revolve around the sun in their own orbit. This orbit is in elliptical shape. They revolve around the sun in elliptical shape. These planets revolve around the sun and also rotate on their own axis. These planets rotate on their own axis. By rotating on their own axis, they are revolving around the sun. Each planets take their own time for the revolution, and it also takes, it means these planet to planet, even in the revolution, even in the rotation. They all revolve around the sun by taking their own time. Even they also rotates on their own axis by taking different times. In our solar system, total 8 planets are there. Distance from the sun, in first place Mercury, in second Venus. Our Earth is situated in third place, in fourth place Mars, next Jupiter, it is in fifth place, next Saturn, that is in sixth place, Uranus, that is in seventh place, Neptune, it is in the eighth place. All these planets arranged in a systematic order and they revolve around the sun in a fixed orbit. These planets are divided into two groups. First 4 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, grouped into one group. The next 4 planets are grouped under another heading. The first 4 planets grouped under inner planets. The next 4 planets are grouped under outer planets. Some differences in between these two groups, inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are made up of rocks and these planets are close to the sun. These are also called as terrestrial planets. Next, outer planets are made up of gases. There is no hard surface on these planets, so it is very difficult to land on these planets. These planets are far away from the sun and these planets are called gas giants. These planets are called as gas giants. So, these are the some common characteristics of planets. We will discuss planets one by one. Before we start, first we will discuss about our Earth. So, it is the third planet in the solar system. It means it is third planet from the sun and the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Third planet in the series and fifth largest planet in our solar system. The first place goes to the Jupiter. So, the first is Jupiter, next Saturn, next Uranus, Neptune and in fifth place our Earth. Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Our Earth is a unique planet. How is it? In many ways, it has a unique qualities. Let us see. First one, its location. It is located in such a place with reference to the sun. It is located in such a place, neither it is too close to the earth nor it is far away from the sun. Because of its ideal location, our earth has some unique characteristics. It has a moderate temperature. Due to its appropriate location, it has a moderate temperature, neither too cold nor too heat. It is situated in such a place, receives good amount of heat, which is necessary for the survival of the life. Next point is presence of water. Due to its appropriate location, the water is available on the earth in all three forms: solid, liquid and gaseous form. When we see earth from the outer space, it looks blue in color because most part of the earth is covered with water. So that why it looks blue in color. So that why it is also called as blue planet or watery planet. Next one is favorable atmosphere. The presence of good atmosphere in Earth's surrounding that also supports life. The atmosphere consists nitrogen nearly 80%, 21% oxygen, and even other gases. The oxygen-rich atmosphere supports life. The presence of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps the heat and keeps the earth warm. It will not allow the heat to escape into the space. Even it also benefits for the plants. Next, another one thing, the ozone layer present in the atmosphere also protects us from the ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun. It stops the radiations. It will not allow the radiations to enter into the atmosphere, and it causes harmful for the life. It stops the radiations due to the presence of ozone layer. So like this, atmosphere is favorable to the life. Next one, our earth is inclined 23.5 degree. Because of this inclination, we see different seasons on the earth. That is necessary for the survival of the life. The seasons because of inclination of earth 23.5 degree. The next one, our earth takes 365 and 1/4 day for one revolution, and it takes 24 hours for one rotation. Because of rotation, the earth is bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. Because of its fast rotation, it is bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. I will show this one through the globe. See, this is a globe. This is a model of earth. See, the globe is hanging on the stand. This is the how our earth is tilted. It is tilted 23.5 degree. The inclination you can observe. Next, the circumferences of equator, the equatorial circumferences, that is much higher than the polar circumferences. The equatorial circumferences is much higher than the polar circumferences. There is a variation, slight variation in the kilometer. So this is due to the rotation. Due to the rotation, the earth is bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles, north and south pole. These are some key points, important points about our earth. So today you have to draw the solar system, arrange the planets in their order and neatly and color it. Thank you. See you in next video.